When you're planning a project, the ability to quickly and easily migrate your asset data from one system to another is a huge time saver. RFO Central, Dynamysk's powerful cloud-based completion software, has always had this feature, but it was only accessible through our support team. We are pleased to announce that RFO Central now also includes the ability for you to easily import your complete tag database via an Excel spreadsheet, allowing you to bring in asset data from any other software. Simply map each field label in your spreadsheet to the corresponding field label in RFO Central. Select your spreadsheet, click the Upload button, and RFO Central does the rest. Checklists are automatically assigned as the tag data is being imported, based on a workflow matrix you define, which means you're ready to go as soon as your import is complete. If you'd like to see even more ways RFO Central can save you time and money on your next project, contact us for a full demo. RFO Central. We know completion so well, we wrote the software.